Hi, my name is Chris Treat, and I've just recently finished a week-long training seminar for management owner training. I'm going to be opening up an office in Tampa, Florida. I'm really looking forward to that. I want to thank everybody here for the support and knowledge and exposure to the whole system. It's been very informative, and I look forward to the future. It's a growing company with a tremendous opportunity. For me specifically, it has to do with the Fort Lauderdale, Miami branch and the boss who introduced me to 911. It's a thriving company in a tough economy and tremendous potential. The support. Everybody has a sincere desire, teamwork, success, and working together. The questions or concerns that I have that I've asked have been addressed, and I'm sure there'll be more in the future, and I'm confident that I'll get the support needed when it's needed.